Welcome to a brief presentation on using the Texas Instruments Inspire technology for data analysis. We're going to focus on the core unit, and our focus topic is investigating the association between two variables, the explanatory variable versus the response variable. Now, the explanatory variable generally would go on the x-axis, and the response variable would go on the y-axis, as you can see on the screen. Now, the first example I've taken is a question where we are going to see the association between two categorical variables. So the example is a survey is conducted amongst 500 people, of which 300 are men and 200 are women. And the survey is asking them if smoking should be banned in public places. And 220 men, as you can see, are in favor of banning, and there are 140 females that are in favor of banning smoking in public areas. And with the no response, there are 80 males and 60 females. Now, because there are 300 males and 200 females, we should be able to express this information in form of a percentage, and that would help us to see if there is any form of association. So if the two percentages are very close, then we would say there is no association. But if they are different, the percentages vary a bit, then we can jump to the conclusion, yes, it does depend on the gender. I've created a 3x3 matrix. So this M stands for the males who say yes in the first column and no in the second column there. And I've just got a letter T, which actually is of no significance, because in a matrix, I have to make sure that every element is filled up. So that T actually does not really serve any purpose. And in the second row, I've got the females who are saying yes and no. And I've times this number by 100, and then 300 is the number of males. So I'll divide that by 300 for the males, whether it's yes or no. And for the females, I'll divide that by 200 because there are 200 females. Now, if I evaluate this information, I'm actually going to use evaluate approximate. And you can see now it has performed the calculation. And very clearly we can say 73%, approximately 73% of the males are in favor of banning smoking, and about 70%, which is very similar. So basically we can conclude from here that the percentages are very similar. So we do not observe any direct association between the two variables.